Struggling with thin, lifeless hair? What if I told you it's possible to get thick, luscious hair without spending a fortune on products? You're just one step away from unlocking your hair's full potential. Stay tuned, because I'm about to reveal the secrets to achieving thicker hair fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something we all want: thick, healthy hair. Whether your hair is naturally thin, or maybe you've noticed it thinning over time, don't worry. I've got you covered with actionable tips you can start using right now. So, if you've ever felt frustrated with your hair's volume or health, this is the video for you. First, let's talk about the root cause of thinning hair. Understanding this will help us tackle the issue from the source. Did you know your hair's thickness is largely determined by genetics, hormones, and lifestyle habits? Hair thinning can happen for a number of reasons: stress, poor diet, overstyling, or even your shampoo. But the good news is, while you can't change your genes, you can change your hair care routine to promote thicker, healthier hair. Tip number 1, let's start from the inside. The food you eat directly impacts your hair growth. Foods rich in proteins, vitamins, and healthy fats are essential. Make sure you're getting enough biotin, omega-3 fatty acids, and iron. These are key nutrients for promoting hair growth. Supplements can help too, but try to get most of your nutrients from whole foods. Start your day with a smoothie packed with spinach, chia seeds, and berries for that extra nutrient kick. It's not just for your body, but for your hair as well. Next up, your hair care routine. The way you treat your hair makes a huge difference. Tip number 2, be gentle with your hair. Avoid harsh shampoos loaded with chemicals like sulfates and parabens. Opt for gentle, nourishing shampoos designed to add volume. And please, ditch that towel. Rubbing your hair with a regular towel can cause breakage. Instead, use a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt to dry your hair. Another game changer? Scalp massages. Gently massaging your scalp with oils like castor oil or coconut oil increases blood flow, stimulating hair growth. Plus, it's super relaxing. Tip number 3, let's talk about DIY hair masks. They're affordable, easy, and incredibly effective at nourishing your hair. One of my favorite hair thickening masks is a mix of avocado, egg yolk, and coconut oil. Apply it once a week to see a noticeable difference in hair thickness and shine. The avocado is loaded with healthy fats, the egg yolk strengthens, and coconut oil seals in moisture. Finally, don't overlook your lifestyle. It's not just about what you put on your hair, but how you live your life. IP number 4, reduce your stress levels. Chronic stress can lead to hair thinning. Incorporate relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation into your routine. And don't forget, sleep is essential for hair regeneration. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. So there you have it. These are the key steps to transform your hair from thin to thick in no time. Remember, consistency is key. If you start applying these tips regularly, you'll notice real changes in a matter of weeks. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a hair glow up. Also, let me know in the comments what tip you're excited to try first. And don't forget to subscribe for more self-improvement content. Until next time, take care of yourself and your hair.